Hello everybody, in this video I am going to give you a quick guide on how to fix the MoneyGram app not working on your device. Follow these simple steps carefully and one of them should solve the problem. The first thing you should do is check if the app needs an update. Go to the Play Store and use the search bar to look for the MoneyGram app. When you open the app's page, you will either see an update button or an open button. If it shows update, tap on it and wait until the update is complete. After that, open the app again and check if the issue is fixed. If the problem is still there, the next step is to clear the app's data and cache. To do this, long press on the MoneyGram app and tap on the small info icon. This will take you to the app settings. Scroll down and look for storage. Inside storage, you will see two options, clear cache and clear data. Start by tapping clear cache, then reopen the app to see if it works. If it does not, go back and tap clear data, which will reset the app completely. If clearing cache and data still does not solve the issue, then the final method is to uninstall and reinstall the app. Simply uninstall the MoneyGram app from your device, then return to the Play Store, tap Install and download it again. Once the installation is complete, open the app and sign back in. By following these methods, you should be able to fix the MoneyGram app not working problem on your device. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees when you send someone money, Wise is the best service I know. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there, plus you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. You can create your free Wise account using the link below.